We'll guide you through how to texture door in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many Blender users want to apply textures correctly to their 3D models, but find UV mapping and node setup confusing. Beginners especially need step-by-step guidance. First, open Blender on your desktop to begin the process. Then press Ctrl and O on your keyboard to open a previous project file. From the file browser, select your door model project carefully. After selecting it, open the project and wait for it to load fully. Once the project is visible, select all objects by pressing A on your keyboard. Then press Ctrl and J to join all selected objects into one mesh. Next, press numpad 1 to switch to front view. Then press Tab to enter edit mode, and press A again to select all faces. After that, press U and click Project from View to unwrap the model properly. Then go to the UV editing workspace at the top of the screen. In this section, open the image of the door by pressing the Open Image button and selecting your texture file. Make sure all UV positions match the image correctly so the texture aligns well. Once you are done adjusting the UV layout, go to the shading panel at the top. In this panel, press the plus sign to add a new material slot if needed. After that, press Shift and A to add new nodes into the shader editor. Add several nodes such as Mapping, Image Texture, and Texture Coordinate. Then connect the Texture Coordinate UV output to the vector input on the Mapping node. Next, connect the Mapping node's vector output to the Image Texture node's vector input. After that, load the image of the door into the Image Texture node. Then connect the color output from the Image Texture node to the base color input on the principled BSDF node. This will apply the texture to your model. Check the model in the viewport to ensure the texture appears correctly. Adjust the mapping settings if needed to improve alignment. Finally, review your work carefully to confirm everything looks accurate and clean. Save your project to keep the changes. Practicing these steps will help you improve your skills in texturing models and working efficiently in Blender over time.